start my day every morning at 4 a.m. That way I'm always the early bird. And injustice. That's my worm. Every corner. Danger. Not when I'm around. I'm an important part of this community, actually. Shit's a car, hang on. I'm quite active in my nightlife, actually. Seagulls aren't normally nocturnal, but what can I say? Crime never sleeps. I have to sleep sometimes, though, because otherwise you get tired. Well, that's good. Yeah, that's me. I wasn't always born like this, you know. No. Started off like any other seagull. Chips. Ice cream. Doing a shit. That was all I wanted out of life. This town is full of scum. It needs a hero. It needs Seagull Man. My dad didn't support the decision. He said, "Stop it, Kyle. You're being stupid, Kyle. Take off the cape, Kyle." So I left. Why seagulls? I am terrified of seagulls. And I want the entire world to know my fear.
Wanker.